In front of me is VIVO Y22S, and let me show you how to change keyboard language. So at first you have to open a new message. Obviously you can also use any other area where there's an option to input some text, because we need to see the keyboard. So once you are in this panel, all you have to do is to click on settings icon, go to languages then, and click add keyboard. Now select the one that you wish to apply. As you can see, there is a long list of languages. You can either scroll it and find the language that you want to apply, or tap on search icon and enter the language that you want to have. So let me just tap on done. Now you can remove unnecessary language. Let's go back. And as you can see, it has been already changed. So that's it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.